Hey there, Epic Parents. Coach Kim here. You know, if you find yourself locked in daily battles with your tween, I see you and the exhaustion that these conflicts bring. You know, many parents tell me that it feels like they've suddenly lost their cooperative child to this argumentative stranger. That 9 to 12 age range comes with a whole set of challenges as kids start to assert their independence. So today I'm going to be sharing three powerful strategies that can end those exhausting power struggles while maintaining your parental authority. So first, let's understand what's happening. Your tween's brain is developing rapidly and they're craving autonomy and respect. And when they push back, they're not trying to be difficult, they're practicing being their own person, but not well, right? But this natural development doesn't mean that you have to endure their constant arguments and attitudes. And so let's look at how we can navigate this stage effectively. So, strategy one, I'm going to call limited choice authority. And so instead of giving direct commands that trigger resistance, offer limited choices that give your tween some control while staying within your boundaries. Here's an example. Rather than saying, you need to do your homework right now, try this. Would you like to start your homework before or after your 15-minute break? Well, see, both options get you to the same outcome. The homework gets done. But one approach invites cooperation, while the other one tends to invite rebellion. This simple shift can eliminate up to 80% of power struggles if done right. The second strategy is emotion before solution. Tweens often, they just want to be heard and understood. So before jumping in to fix the problem or correct their behavior, take a moment to validate their feelings. I see that you're really frustrated about having to stop playing your game. That makes sense. It's hard to transition when you're in the middle of something fun. This simple validation actually makes them more receptive to what comes next because they don't feel the need to defend their position. Once they feel understood, they're much more willing to meet your expectations. And strategy three is privacy preserves dignity. Never confront or correct your kids in front of their friends or siblings or even other adults. Public correction at this age feels like humiliation, and it also guarantees resistance and resentment. So instead, quietly say, I need to speak with you for a moment, and then move to a quiet place. This simple change preserves their dignity and eliminates the need for them to save face through defiance. In private, you're much more likely to listen and cooperate with you. These strategies, they work best when you implement them during calm moments, not in the heat of conflict. If you're already in a power struggle, just take a deep breath and just say, let's both of us take a couple minutes to calm down and let's talk about this later. But then be sure to follow up when emotions have settled. For more in-depth guidance on navigating the tween years with confidence, check out the Epic community link in the description. I offer a specialized course in communication. And if you find these strategies helpful, please give a thumbs up on this video. And don't forget to check out the other videos in this Quick Wins playlist. I just want to say this. We don't want our child to be exactly like us. If they are, then one of you is redundant. We want our kids to grow way beyond us. And that might be that they want to take their own path to adulthood. And it's learning how to navigate those differences that become the challenge. And if you need some one-on-one coaching, just schedule a coaching call with me. The tween years, they don't have to be a constant battle. But with the right approach, you can maintain your authority while respecting their growing independence. I'll see you in the next video.